Welcome to Envelope Integrity Reporter, your all-in-one tool for fast, accurate building envelope auditing. Whether you're in complete connectivity with the internet or working offline, Envelope IR enables seamless defect logging, floor plan markups, and report generation, all from your mobile device or browser. Now, another thing to remember is that the mobile phone app of EIR is to a certain extent just a read-only version of the database of defects that we're logging. There is some limitations on what the mobile phone app can do to existing defects that are up in the cloud. So we'll go straight into logging a defect. You can also have different types of defects. The defects can be air, thermal, fire, safety, or even pest control. So you've got a bit of a repertoire of different types of defects that you can log. Here we can select either a multi-point, a line point, or a single point. Single point behaves like this. Multi-point behaves like this. And a line point behaves like this. We'll take a photo. From here, it goes straight into a markup. We've got several tools at our disposal here where we can have an arrow. We can do a line arrow if something lineal is an issue here. We can also change the colors to whatever we want and reference the different colors within the comments. Going straight now into info, here we can choose to be advised, what the next steps are. We can go into what the fixes are and what the subfix can be. Here you can put in some description information, and then we can dictate whether it's a circular, linear, or circular defect. We can put in some dimensions depending on what sort of a sized hole or issue, thermal anomaly that we're seeing. And then we can allocate it to a room type, a ceiling surface area, a floor or wall surface area, and even potentially a home feature, which some of our homes have. We've also got some settings here for materials and hours to work out some quoting potentially on what you might be looking at. So now you can save that. That will save into the phone's memory. And then once you have completed your audit, you can go back to your home screen and then allow it to upload, especially when you've got a good Wi-Fi connection. So from here, you can click on that same project, which we just created, and it's now in the cloud. And we can see exactly what we logged.